Marzipan. Subscribe to my channel and click the bell to be the first to see my latest video. In a saucepan, take 1/4 cup water and 2 tablespoons sugar. Turn on the flame. Allow the sugar to melt completely. Sugar syrup is ready. Now you can turn off the flame. Remove in a bowl and set aside. Take 150 grams cashews. These cashews were kept in the fridge for 24 hours. Grind them into a fine powder. Pulse and blend, or else the cashews will release oil. Sieve the cashew powder. Now add 150 grams icing sugar. Sieve it and add it to the cashew powder. Mix well. Now add 1 teaspoon vanilla essence and mix well. Now add a teaspoon of sugar syrup at a time and knead a soft and smooth dough. Divide into 3 equal parts. Flatten them. Add food color. You can use any color as per your choice. Knead it into a smooth ball free of cracks. I didn't add color to one part. Green food color. Dust some icing sugar on the mold. Pinch out a small portion of the dough and fill the mold. Press gently. Gently twist the mold. Marzipan candy will fall off. Don't keep them in the mold for a long time. It will be difficult to remove them. Dust off the excess icing sugar. Let them rest for 8 to 10 hours in open air. After 8 hours, you can store them in an airtight container. Subscribe to my channel Jim Jen Kitchen, click the bell, like, share and leave your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you.